Hello and welcome to ABC Studio. I am Abhijit Banik, manufacturer of textile fabrics and garments. I am skilled in brand consultancy and marketing, also passionate about content creation. I am here with a novel motto: learn more, grow more. Today I am going to discuss something very special for the fashion industry. This is what actually fashion industry is evolving and we functioning towards the new demands. Fabric is our basic need. The drastic changes in fashion trends always keep generations active to find something very unique and classy. Demand changing, so technology is also evolving with a new taste, ideas and opportunities. So how textile industries are fulfilling the trends to sustainable new concepts always. Yes, here we will talk about how textile industry is bridging the fashion demands with value-added fabrics. Value-added fabrics can be any fabrics that creating some added value to fashion, something which make lives better. As a common man, it is very difficult to identify possible developments in value-added fabrics. Value addition is an art with enormous possibilities to make beautiful texture, color, print, design, hand feel and many more. Please have a look at possible types of value-added fabrics. Value addition in textile is a very big subject and there are enormous possibilities of value-added fabrics. So here I am trying to give a glimpse of value-added techniques which textile industries and fashion industries are using on the regular basis and which is nowadays in limelight and the people are using it as a terms of business and it's working very good. So in these techniques I'm just putting few name of it, so like digital printing, foil printing, flock printing, embossed printing, ink printing, smoke printing, coated fabric, engraving, zari work, stone work, mokesh work, applique work, embroidery work, brasso technique, lamination, velvet fabric, hand painting, pearl work, glitter work, dewdrop, color changing, special pigments, etc. So this is I am trying to give a glimpse of value addition and I'll give you more details into value addition in this video, and subsequently I am coming up with more videos in each technique with more in deeper details and discussions. So let's come up with next details where I can give you little more in depth into it, so that we'll get some little more ideas like how it works and how industry is moving. Digital printing can be defined as inkjet printing method with wide range of color chemistry. This technology can be useful for all types of material like natural, man-made or regenerated fabrics. Commonly we can say cotton, rayon, polyester and many more. For natural fabrics printing we say direct printing, and polyester based printing we say indirect printing, also known as paper sublimation. In context of design, all types of detailed designs are possible. As per fashion industry, it's always hot cake for business. Foil printing is specialty printing process which uses heat and pressure with a metallic foil paper. Foil paper comes with many color variant like gold, silver, multicolor, etc. Foil paper stick to the fabric surface as per design. This technique is widely used by fashion and garment manufacturing industry. Design gives very significant and prominent look to the fabric surface. Block printing or flocking is a printing process in which short fibers of rayon, cotton, wool or another natural or synthetic material are applied to an adhesive coated surface. This adds a velvet or suede-like texture to the surface. Since the fibers can be dyed, flocking can also add color to a printed area. This printing technology can be done into any fabric surface, which may be natural or synthetic fabric. Embossed print is an opaque base that raises up on being heat set to provide a raised print effect. Embossed print is also called the foam print or puff print for the raised print effect. It is also acknowledged by many as a rubber printing technique. This screen staining technique is pretty similar to high density print, but the printed area is softer in feel. This printing looks very unique and classy, and which gives very unique hand feel also for the fashion industry. So it's very prominently using by the fashion designers and designing garments. Ink printing is a similar printing method which is actually using for the printing of designs or any patterns. In this printing technique, specifically we use specialized white ink and different inks to highlight some design patterns. So as a local terms, people are used to say it's an ink prints, as these unique lines of the designs is highly prominent in the design. These prints generally used for the fashion garments, which creates some unique look to the fashion fabric. Smoke printing is a heat transfer printing technology. Foil papers are used to transfer the design to the fabric surface, where cylinders playing the major role, and in the cylinders designs are actually get engraved and engraved designs transferred to the fabric. This process brings some unique design look in a way, like some dots or dots effects coming to the fabric, and it gives a beautiful fabric texture in aesthetically. So fashion designers loves to use this technique for their garment. Engraving is a heat transfer printing technique where graver roll does the major work. Graver roll comes up with a design, and these designs transferring through to the fabric by heat transfer. And this is basically industry is using for the monochromatic color to create a unique fabric texture. This is as in background of the fabric. This kind of engraving technique used to make some unique feel and design look for fashion collection. Zari work is very commonly known by the fashion industry, as their zari threads are used to do some designs or do some design work to the fabric. So this particular motif and designs, whatever the elements are there, it's designed through like gold zari, silver zari and different colors of zaris. So this is very prominently using since very long time and prehistorically. So most of the people already very used to with this zari work technology. Stonework is a very unique design technique in value addition fabric, where stones are separately added one by one to the fabric as per the design need. So these added stones created a beautiful look to the fabric or garments. These types of stoneworks basically used by the garment manufacturers or different sari manufacturers. This kind of saris specifically people love to wear in the party wear or any festival wear. Mukesh work is a type of textile chemical which is very thick and passes through design screen, and these designs once placed into the fabric, it sticks to the fabric and creates a thick design look, which gives little embossed effect to the fabric as per the design, and one unique look of the fabric visually it creates. So people loves to put this kind of designs for different kind of collections, for fashions or different kind of sarees. Applique work is a type of work where designs are drawn into the fabric separately, and after that it gets cutted into separate pieces of the designs. After that, these particular pieces, design pieces, stitched to the fabric or pasted to the fabric, and which creates that two layer of fabric, and it comes up embossed, and which gives a textured different look to the fabric. And this kind of designs and applique styling used for the fashion garments and for different designer collections, which also used for the designer sarees as well. Embroidery is a technology which is very prominent in the industry, fashion industry, and fashion garments are using embroidery technology for many ways, where there are variety of embroidery technologies are available. There we can make very simple designs to very unique and very high density designs also possible. Embroidery techniques actually doing through the machines nowadays. There are different varieties of machines are available, where n number of design possibilities also there. Fashion garments are very prominently using this embroidery technique, and which is coming up with multiple designs. Brasso is a chemical technology where fabrics are used with a design, where one type of chemical used to make fabrics dissolve, where designs part and the chemical part creates one unique effect to the fabric, and one transparency look also come. So due to this technique, this fabric comes up with very beautiful look and texture, and for designer collection this brasso is very prominently used. For fabric ornamentation, beadwork is very commonly using by lots of fashion designers. There are many types of beads are available in the market, like wood, metal, plastic, etc., where beads are taken into care as per the aesthetic need, and it plays into the fabric surface in different kind of pasting gums. Also, it can be stitched to the fabric surface as the design need. Ultimately, this fabric gives a very unique and classy look. Mostly designers prefer to work with beads for fashion garments or party wear garments. Glitter is a reflective powder particle, comes in a different shapes, which is used to give some shining and sparkling effect. This glittery effect is used to the garments or fabric surface, which brings fabrics into very bright and shiny look. Glittery effects can be used for garments or sarees, which is very prominently used by the garment industry for different types of designer collections. Designers use glittery work very smartly, where different techniques of printing or styling combined together. Ultimately, the look of the fabric comes very unique and very prominent. Due to standard durability and high fashion, young generation always loves to wear this type of trending garments. Dewdrop is a very special technique of printing, where fabric surface gets textured with different types of lining and textured drop kind of lining. So where one special chemical used in color form This chemical is creating design elements as well as is creating one texturing effect on the fabric surface, and this texturing effect is very prominent on the fabric and it gives a very beautiful look to the fabric, and ultimate product looks very costlier and rich feel. So designers loves to create this type of dewdrop effect for their garments. Special pigment, another beautiful technique for the printing. There one special kind of pigment utilized. These pigments are mixed with some glittery and different color textures. Once the special pigments used for the design part, fabric look get changed dramatically and it comes up with royal rich feel. Any garments or saris, this kind of techniques are used to make and create beautiful designer collection. Friends, thank you for watching till the end. I would love to come up with new topics as there are plenty of topics to discuss. Please share your comment which topics we should start discussing on the next point. Also give your feedback if there anything I missed out, what you feel that I should include into the content. So please give your feedback so that I can improve myself and I can bring up with more updated information. Please like, share and comment. If you are a garment manufacturer, fashion designer or fabric dealer, then please connect me. We are dealing with all these types of fabrics and we have full-fledged manufacturing facilities based at Surat, Gujarat. See you soon in new videos.